Changing population size. Population is dynamic. The numbers, distribution, and composition of the population is always changing due to the interaction of three processes: births, deaths, and migrations. Change in the size of population is nothing but it is the difference in the number of inhabitants of a country or place during a specific period. And the change is expressed in two ways. One is as absolute numbers, and the second one is as percentage change. So we can express the population change in absolute numbers as subtracting the earlier population from the later population. If the result is positive number, the population is increasing. If the result is negative, this population is decreasing. We can say it as population change in absolute numbers. How can we measure population change in a place? The population change in a place is equal to number of births plus number of immigrants minus number of deaths plus number of outmigrants. Here, who are immigrants? The persons who are migrating from other places to this place. And who are outmigrants? The persons who are migrating to other places from this place. If we get a positive number, we can treat it as the population is increasing, and if we get the negative number, we can treat it as the population change is decreased. What is birth rate? Birth rate is the number of live births per 1,000 persons in a year. For example, in 1992, the birth rate is 29 in India. So it means for every 1,000 people living in the country during that year, 29 live births took place. Okay. What is death rate? Death rate is the number of deaths per 1,000 persons in a year. It means only 10 people died during the year for every 1,000 persons living at that time. The second way we express change in the size of population is as percentage change. The rate of population increase is studied in percent per annum. For example, the rate of increase is 5% per annum. It means in that year there was an increase of 5 persons for every 100 persons. It is calculated year by year, so it is referred as annual growth rate. And the India's population has been increasing steadily. Let's know about the causes for the Indian population growth. There has been a rapid decline in the death rate, but not in birth rate. During the period 1901 to 1921, there was a high death rate due to the famines, epidemics, including the influenza epidemic. From 1921, the scene was changed, especially after post-independence. The impact of famines declined because of famine relief, and also there was a movement of grain, ration shops, and an active public voice in democracy. And similarly, they controlled the dangerous diseases like plague and cholera. Advanced medicines like antibiotics, vaccines contributed to the better health care. Compared to 1921, death rates fell rapidly. High birth rates along with the declining death rate led to the higher rate of population growth. Since 1981, the birth rate has been declining gradually. Due to this, a gradual decline in the rate of population growth. And let's know another concept, that is the fertility rate. It means total births per woman. The number of children that is likely to be born to a woman if she were to like the end of her childbearing years and bear children in accordance with the current patterns. In 1961, in India, the fertility rate was 5.9. It means every woman was likely to bear 5 or 6 children. At present, in India, the fertility rate is 2.7 and it is 1.9 for combined Andhra Pradesh. The third reason of population change is migration. Migration, it is the movement of people from one place to another place due to various reasons across the regions and territories. Migration can be divided into two types. One is the internal migration and second one is the international migration. Internal migration, this is the migration within the country. The people move from one place to another place only within that country. This will not affect the size of the population, but it influences somewhat distribution of population within that nation. And international migration, the migration of the people from one country to another country. Thus, the migration is playing important role in changing the composition and distribution of population. Population density. Population density is calculated as the number of persons per unit area or people living in a square kilometer area is called as population of density. Indian population density in 2011 was 382 and the highest population density was in Bihar. It was 1102 and the lowest population density was only 17 in the Arunachal Pradesh. Hilly and rocky terrains, moderate to low rainfall areas and less fertile soils have influenced population density in India. Northern plains and Kerala in the south have the high population densities because they have flat plains with fertile soils and maximum rainfall.